What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go with our friend Fantom. We're down about 10% on the day. We're sitting at 273. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.86 billion, 24-hour volume 2.05 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can grab $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral, and check out their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. All right, let's hop into Fantom. So here we are on the 1 hour time frame. So this was our first entry, guys, 268, and about 297 was our take profit zone. So check this out, guys. We came down, we hit 268, boom, right there's a 10% trade. We come back down, you re-enter, we hit our take profit zone once again. Boom, another 10% trade. So while it's consolidating, you're trading. While it's consolidating, you're making money. Now, I never sell my whole position, just 50%. Comes back down, re-enter with that 50% right away. If it bounces back up once again, well, we just made 3 trades while everyone is just kind of waiting around to see if Fantom's going to drop or it's going to pump. We just made 30% profits if you see that third push up to 297. So that's pretty, I thought that was pretty cool, guys. So we do have a bit of a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. So if we were to break down here, you measure the body and it would take you down past our next buy zone. It would take you down to about $2.25. So do keep an eye on that pattern. However, guys, if we do pop over to the 4 hour time frame, the money flow is completely in the floor on the 4 hours. So we might see a nice push right off this level of support. As you can see, let me zoom out. As you can see right here, money flow in the floor, nice push back to the upside. Right here as well, money flow on the floor, nice push back to the upside. Money flow on the floor, nice push back to the upside. So you may see a nice push back to the upside once again. It's a good indicator. So that is something to keep a close eye on. Let's pop over to the daily, guys. So you can see we got rejected perfectly from our ascending channel here. Support, flipped as resistance. So what we may be looking to do here is come back down to the EMAs. We got a little bit overextended on the daily time frame. So we may be coming down to drop into this range in between about 248 and about 233, 232. And find support along the 20 or along the 55, because we are a bit overextended and we have trended towards overbought on the daily. So that may be where we're looking to come down to. It's either that or we would just see some consolidation before seeing continuation, because the bulls are really strong right now for Fantom. The bullish momentum is just incredible, and we're seeing a huge increase in volume for FTM. So we can see here we've broken out of our descending broadening wedge. We've almost reached the target. We perfectly got rejected by the 1.618 coming in at 294. And we almost met the target from our bull flag as well. So do watch for a retracement here. We may be looking to come back down for a retest of these EMAs before seeing continuation for our friend FTM. I'll go over the bearish scenario, guys. Fantom is looking really bullish in my opinion. But if we were to lose 232, then our next really strong level of support is coming in at about 191. But personally, I don't think it's likely. I think we either consolidate here and break out back to the upside, or come back down to this swing high around that $230, $240 area and see our continuation. See a nice bounce, beautifully bounce off the EMAs on the daily, and see a continuation to the upside for FTM. That's basically it, guys. Not too much new, just a little bit of consolidation. But you had the ability to make 2 trades in that time period, which I think is pretty cool, guys. The trading method is very friendly. Just quick drink of water. Did you hear that? Play it back right at the end. I was like, water, and a voice crack. How embarrassing. Yeah, but we made 2 trades. I mean, I think that's pretty cool, especially, you know, you have a job, you have a family, you're busy. This trading method is absolutely perfect if you have a busy schedule. Just set your buy limits and then set your alerts on TradingView. Hit your alert, sell 50%, and then set an entry once again for that 50% that you sold, so you can re-enter at 268 and you just go on about your day, right? I don't want to stare at screens all the time, even though I stare at screens all the time anyways. But you know, I'm trying to free up some of my time as well, so I can go to the gym, so I can do other things besides stare at charts basically. All right, guys, so that's basically it for FTM, our bull run targets. We have the 2 extension at 592, but personally my bull run target is about $10.03 for our friend FTM if we see Bitcoin go to 100K and beyond. If we go down to 30K for Bitcoin, of course, that will erase that, but we'll still be making money trading Fantom with our DCA strategy. So that's it, guys. If you want early access to these charts, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto, and we have the DCA charts, let me just go over to them quickly. For many projects, VET, Gala, Sand, Fantom, Solana, Mana, Matic. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up to the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses right now. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.